Vince.
Go, go.
Vince. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you? Where are you going? Where are you going? You going for a run? You going for a run? Talk to him, Mom. Maybe he'll go for a run.
Come on, Vince. Vince, go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Start dressing him again. I'm sure he'll start doing it.
Okay, you want me to dress you? What do you need? What?
You going for a run?
You're halfway there. Come on. Come on. Keep running. Keep running. Go.